Good afternoon. So today we are going to discuss about economic botany. So economic botany means it is the branch of science. Economic botany means it is the branch of science which deals with economically valuable plants like cereals. There is different types of economically valuable plants like cereals, wheats, millets. There is different types of plants which are present and they are very economic to all. In the previous year, in the year of 1960 to 70, we found that there is very few amount of cultivation is there, and people are not aware about the value of the plant. Later, people aware about the value of the plants and its economical value. Then they are going to be this today we are going to discuss about economical valuable plant student. This topic we are going to discuss about the cereals. So cereals means these are the food yielding plants. Food yielding plants means these are helps to provide the main nutrition to the human. So main nutrition means we can say the example of rice. So rice is one of the most important crops which are cultivated in land, and these plants helps us to provide nutrition. So rice is one of the most important crop plant which are going to be cultivated in our land in the different season. There is a two season. One is Rabi crop, another is Kharif. Rabi crop and Kharif crop. So the Rabi crop and Kharif crop, these are two types of crops are cultivated in our India. There is two seasons are found in our India, and these are the one is June July to cultivated in the November December, and another is the November December to up to April. Right. So there is two types of. So the Rabi crop is cultivated during the November, October to November. Sometimes some books are represented it found in November, December, and the farmer cultivated that plant in the December. Sorry, in the April. So November and December is the cultivated time, and they are going to yield that plant in the April, in the month of April, or the end of the March. So these are the Rabi crop, and the Kharif crop which are going to be cultivated during the June July season, and it is going to be yield in the November December time. So these are two category of plant. So today our topic is the rice. So today we are going to discuss about rice. So this rice are different category. There is most important category of rice is basmati rice, Sankar rice. So there is different important valuable rice plant are there. This rice plant cost is much high in the society, and the one kg of the basmati rice is up to 130 to 150 or sometimes 200 per kg. So this is a one type of economically valuable plant which are grown in a specific season. Basically, these are grown in the season of June, July, and they are going to be cultivated in the November, December. So to cultivate them, at first the farmer come to the land and they prepare that land by using the tractor, or any other machinery by which they at first plane the land or the ground, then they apply the rice on that land. At a 1 to 2 months time, then grown up, this plant are grown up. After that, at a certain time duration, okay, we are going to discuss in the chart in the last at the end of the session. So you have just listen my words. What are I am going to explain now. So today we are going to discuss about the rice cultivation, right? So this after the seeds are bowing on the land. After that, they are grown up after the certain height. Then the farmer take them and put in the other land. So the rice is grown up after 3 to 4 months, and towards the maturity, the farmer use different today different use the machine to cultivate them. कौन है ज्योति प्रकाश? What is about power tiller? Power tiller, अच्छा, power tiller are helps to power tiller are helps to tractor. Most of the people are used nowadays. Most of the people are use the tractor, but some are use the power tiller also, because power tiller is taking much time. Power tiller is taking much time to prepare the land, right? So power tiller is take the much time to prepare the land, but the but the tractor is helps to prepare the land very easily and very quickly and very few of time duration. That's why most of the people who are going to affordable tractor, most of the people use the tractor or cultivation nowadays, because there is no animals are used nowadays. Very few people, very rural people who are not affordable the tractor or power tiller, they are use the those people are use the animals to prepare the land, right? Okay, so this is all about the rice cultivation. So rice cultivation is a process, and it is found in the two season of our country. Two season in our country, there is two season is found. One is winter season plant, another is summer season. Summer means it is the end of summer. This is the June July actually. This is the June July month in which where the farmer cultivated our rice plant in the land. At first, the seeds when germinate, the rice seed is when germinate by applying some warm water and putting them in some place. After that seedling, they are going to be applied on the land, and they are going to be germinate on that land and grown up. After a certain height of size, after a certain height of size, these plants are going to be put up from a certain land and put it into the another land, right? And provide water, provide or supply water. So after certain time duration, these are going to be grown up. After it take 2 to 3 months, within which people are also going to check the land, rice field land, and find out the waste, whatever is present within that cultivated land. And there is 3 4 months after that, they are going to be mature. This rice plant is going to be mature, and these are going to be cutting up by the people or by the machine. There is different type of machine are today invented by the scientist. ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, which is going to be develop different types of machine, cutting machine, rice cutting machine, or any type of plant cutting machine is there. So people are now invest these types of machine to cutting their rice plant or wheat plant, whatever, right? So today our topic is rice. So I'm telling that these people are using that machine, or some people also now follow the traditional method. Traditional means these old patterns, means they're cutting the rice plant by the equipment by hand, and then they put them in the land. After a few days, they are going to be dry up. These plants are then they are going to be chopped with their hands, tightening them, and they take them by animals or by tractors to their home, and then cultivated them. Sorry, then they extract the rice from that plant. Okay, so there is different methods are followed by the peoples. So this is a economic botany discussion, and this is your paper 6. I hope this all the students who are coming in my session, please inform to other student. Please inform to your friends to join our class, because there is only 7 students are joining today. I think there is 7 students are joining today. So, Amit. So Amit, you also inform your friend to join my class, because this is the online discussion platform. So all the students can join my class to discussing this topic, because I'm going to every day in the 12 p.m. I'm going to discuss all your topic. So I think this is enough. Okay. Thank you. So we'll discuss in next time, in the next day. Okay. Okay.